Hi everyone! So gawa naman tayo ng peach dessert kasi marami akong biniling peach. So binalatan ko yung peach, pwede namang hindi balatan. Tapos sa binalatan nating peach, haluan natin ng lemon juice, tapos sugar, not a lot because sweet naman yung fruit, tapos cinnamon powder, vanilla, tapos cornstarch para medyo lumapot ng konti. Sa dry ingredients naman is rolled oats, tapos flour, a little bit of sugar and cinnamon. Pagkatapos ihalo yun, ilagay natin yung cold butter. So, yung dry ingredients, put it on top and bake it for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes. So that's it. You can eat it like this by itself or mas masarap lagyan ng vanilla ice cream. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.